Today I'm going to dive into exactly how real estate commissions work and how they're broken down. So stay tuned. Before I spill the beans about how your commissions are broken down, please take about 3 seconds, hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it really helps me out. It makes my day. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subs by January 1st, so help a brother out. Now, back to business. Hello everybody, my name is Aram. I am a real estate agent here in the Chicagoland area, and I've had a lot of questions about how real estate commissions are broken down. So I wanted to take a quick video here, make it, and explain exactly from that purchase price, 5 to 6% breakdown, exactly how much you make. Now, a lot of people who are not in the industry may believe if you're getting a 6%, like you have a house you're trying to sell with a 6% commission, you make the whole 6%. Unfortunately, that is so untrue. It's ridiculous. So let's break it down. Let's say we're gonna do a $100,000 house because I don't have my phone on me and math is gonna be difficult. So let's do this. Let's say average commissions, depending on what city you're in, are gonna be anywhere from, for not the discount brokers, for regular full-time, full-service agents, 5 to 6%. On every single deal, there is the list side, which is the sell side, and then there is the buy side, that is pretty self-explanatory, and there's an agent on both sides, okay? Now, the listing agent is the person who negotiates the commission. The listing agent is the one that decides if it's gonna be a 5% listing, a 6% listing, an 8% listing, or a 3.5 or 3.5% listing. That is something the seller and the agent negotiate before the house ever goes on the market. So to all you brilliant idiots out there who want to call the listing agent to get a good deal, hey genius, it's already negotiated. So no matter what you do, the agent's getting the same money. Anyhow, so that was a lot of investors who are trying to be slick always do that, and it drives me crazy. The buyer's agent in most markets that I have seen gets about, generally speaking, 2.5%. The buy side is going to get 2.5%, and the sell side is going to get whatever's left over. Let's say you do it at a 5% commission, just so the math is easier. Listing agent is going to get 2.5%. Buyer's agent is going to get 2.5%. So 5% of $100,000 is $5,000, right? Because 10% is 10, yeah, $5,000. Now, that divided by 2 ways, you have about $2,500 here, and you have $2,500 here. Now, all I did was take 2.5% of 100K, or you can just do 5K divided by 2, whatever math is going to be easier for you. Now, unfortunately, you still don't get to take $2,500 home in most cases. There is what's called transaction fees. So take out, on average, probably $300 in MLS fees, transaction fees, whatever. So on the buy side, you are left with $2,200. On the sell side, you have the same, they call it the admin fee. So you're left with the same $2,200. Now, you still don't get to take this home. Here's what you actually take home. You take home whatever your split is. So if you have, let's say, a 70-30 split, you take home 70% of $2,200. But some brokerages also have a royalty fee. So maybe 70-30 with, like, say, a 6% royalty, which a lot of brokerages don't tell you about. And then whatever's left over, which in this case is probably going to be in the realm of, I don't know, $1,800. So do you notice how we went from first we went from $5,000 to $2,500 to now you're making $1,800. So that's how the breakdown works. I hope that makes some sense to you. I know I rushed through it. That's because in real life, as a real estate agent, I got things to do today and I'm super busy. So I just wanted to get it out the way so I can edit this video and get it out to you. I figured it's a pretty simple, idea. So I hope it's very helpful. If you have questions on this, please let me know. I don't know how far of the board you see. I didn't even check the camera lens, but whatever. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.